Hello, how are you? How has your week been? I'm Frederica Lewis. I am a New York City based dance teacher, and today is Fancy Friday. We've been spending a lot of time at home today, and my body feels different because it's in a different routine. It's doing different types of things, it's moving differently. And today I am feeling both heavy and lazy, like my body feels like very very like weighted down, and at the same time it also feels a little like restless, like antsy. So it's kind of a weird feeling to feel at the same time, but sometimes we can feel two feelings at the same time. So I was thinking, what can we do with those feelings in our bodies today? Want to shake them? All right. Today is Fancy Friday on the floor. So I'm going to be doing work on the floor. If you have space where you're dancing to do some work on the floor, you don't need a whole lot of space, just a little bit. Feel free to do it on the floor. Feel free to make your own modifications. And that means make changes to the movements so that they best fit your body or best fit your needs. Because this dance class is for you. So if you're going to have more fun standing up, go ahead and stand up. If you want to try some floor moving with me, find some floor space. All right, make sure you're in a safe space. Let's do some shaking with the fish. Ready? All those feelings. Breathe. Breathe. Shake. Breathe. Shake. Breathe. Breathe. Good job. All right. Now that we've gotten that out, find a good sitting position. Let's do the most important thing. What is that again? The most important thing? To breathe. So let's take 3 deep breaths on your own time. Ready? 1, 2. Third one, nice and gentle. 3. Great. We're going to start lengthening our bodies nice and long. As long as you can get. Great. Stretch, stretch, stretch. A nice long stretch, either on the floor or standing up tall. And then you're going to start squeezing your body. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. And stretch, 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 stretch. Good. Again, squeeze, 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 squeeze. This time, let's stretch to the side. Ready? Can you open up onto your side? Stretch, 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 stretch. Reach as far as you can. Good. Bring it in. This time, let's open up to an X shape. Ready? Open, stretch it, lift up to make a sideways X. Great. Curl it back in. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. So ready? Curl up, open, long. Reach, 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 reach. Curl it in. X shape. Stretch, 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 stretch. And bring it back in. Great. Let's do a little rocking. Just a little swinging. Swing. Rock your body back and forth. Great. We are going to pretend like we are going to go pick your favorite fruit. What's your favorite fruit? I really love apples and oranges and peaches. This is a hard choice. What are you going to pick? All right, we're going to take a basket. We're going to set the basket above our head. All right, so the basket is going to collect all the fruit we're going to get. You're going to lay down, and your legs are going to be the tree. So you're going to reach up to pick the fruit like this. basket behind you. Now, it's really important to have your core muscles, which are all your muscles around your torso and your front and your back. Squeeze them hard. Reach up to the trees, and let's pick. Good. Put them back down. Reach. Oh, pick another one. Ooh, this one's really high up. Reach further, further. Grab it. Put it back in. Good. Let's try one hand. Oh. Other hand. Good. I see two more left on the tree. Reach up as high as you can. Reaching. Good. Grab them. Put them in your basket. Excellent. Good job picking all the fruit. Now, sometimes the branches are growing really far out. So sometimes we need to take the branches and let's open wide and close them in. Good. Wide and close. Kind of like we're a big pair of scissors. 2 more times. Good. And roll into that ball. Great. You're going to drop your knees to the side and let the top knee roll over, reaching out to the side. Stretch. Good. Bring your knees in. Drop your knees to the side. Let the knee on top reach far. Bring it back up. Ooh, remember our fruit tree? Let's pretend like we're a bird that's going to land on that fruit tree. So ready? Get your bird wings. Ready? Good. Wings up here. Good. Now just your hands. Take the wings down all the way, land on your feet, and fly back up. Good. Fly back down. And up. Great. Can our legs be our wings? Put your feet together. Down on the ground. One wing here. One wing here. Good. We're going to grow tall through our top of our head, and our wings are going to come up and press down slowly. Good. And up. Press down slowly. All right, birds, where do you want to fly? Oh, what a beautiful flower. Let's land on this flower and take a nice big deep breath. Smell the flower. My flower smells like feet. Okay, let's find another one. Flying. Whew, I don't know what type of flowers those are. Smelling like socks and feet. All right, down we go. Oof. Oh my goodness, we have to stop smelling our feet. All right,
If you need to, take your nose like this. Let's go down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
great. You can practice a stretch this way while we talk about what we are going to dance. We're going to do a free dance, freestyle. But today, if you want a challenge, I challenge you to do your dance in slow motion. Some of the shapes you can make in slow motion could be a wavy line. You can make it with your arm. You can make it with just your finger. You can make it with your mouth. Or slow motion circles. You can draw the shape of a circle. You could be the shape of a circle. You could do a circle and a wavy line. One part circle, one wavy line. Or if you're feeling like you just need to let loose and do your own freestyle, go for it. Now, your freestyle can continue to stay on the floor or it can stand up. I'm going to let you make the choice. You ready? Let's start in a shape. Maybe let's get our legs into a circle and our arms in a wavy line. Good. Listen to the music and let the music take your body through the space. I'm Frederica. Thank you for dancing with me. I love you. Don't forget to love yourself.